every day, one by one, I'm gonna try every recipe of Laura, starting from the very beginning. Come, join me on my challenge. Let's go! Hi everyone! My name is Ruta and welcome to my food challenge where I'm trying Laura in the kitchen recipes for the very first time in front of the camera together with you. And today I'm gonna try Laura's French onion soup. It's so funny that this is the time when I'm trying it because all my life I lived thinking that this doesn't even sound good. And in the last year or so, it got my attention and I actually started ordering it. Age does funny things to you people. So when I was watching Laura's video, my mouth was watering. I'm sure that this soup will be the best onion soup ever. So if you're as excited to see how it looks and tastes in the very end, then keep on watching. We're gonna need 4 large onions sliced into half-moon slices, 1 liter of beef stock, 100 grams of cheddar grated, half a cup of sherry, 4 slices of crusty bread cut into bite-sized chunks, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 15 grams of butter, 15 grams of sugar, 3 grams of fresh thyme, leaves removed, and salt and pepper. Okay, I'm so ready to start. I have a large pot here to which I'm gonna add the olive oil and the butter, and I'm gonna preheat everything over medium heat. Once the butter melts and I gauge that everything is nice and hot, I'm gonna add the onions together with the sugar, thyme. I'm gonna season everything with salt and pepper, and then I'm gonna cook everything, oh yeah, for 30 minutes. Oh, this is a beautiful color, but actually it took me 10 more minutes to get it. So in total I cooked for 40 minutes. Now it's time for the wine. I'm gonna add it for 30 seconds for the alcohol to cook out. Alright. Oh my god, this will be so good. Okay, so now to this, I'm gonna add the beef broth. I'm gonna season it with some salt and pepper. Beware of just how salty your beef stock is. And then I'm gonna let it come to a boil and then cook for 15 minutes. Okay, so it just came to a boil. Up to this moment I was preheating my oven to 200 degrees because now, as this will cook for 15 minutes, let me just grab this. I prepared something like this. I lined a baking sheet with some aluminum foil. I put the bread onto it, and now as my oven has just preheated, I'm gonna put this into the oven for 10 minutes. Okay, so now I'm gonna remove this to a plate because I'm gonna be doing something else here. And while I'm doing that, I also turned on my broiler to preheat to high. Oh my god, can you feel just how good it's gonna be? Okay, so now the very last step is assembling. So I'm gonna take an oven-proof little cute bowl. I'm gonna ladle some soup here, top it with some bread. I have here 1/4 of the cheese because this is to be for 4 people. Let's see. And then I'm gonna put all of this into the oven under the broiler for a couple of minutes until the cheese is all melted and bubbly. And that's it. This looks absolutely wonderful. I'm a bit afraid that I'm gonna just drop the whole thing and burn myself. Let me assemble a bite. Oh my god, my mouth, it's ridiculous. I don't know Really, is it the age thing? Like, I would, in a million years, I would have never even tried onion soup when I was, I don't know, a kid or a teenager or like the beginning of being young adult. Like, it just, the idea, onion soup, as much as I love onions, but it did not sound good to me. And look at me now, I'm like tripping over words. Ooh, I do see some steam. Oh, so hot. Oh my gosh, so good. Oh, so hot. Mmm. Mmm. Oh my god. It's so hot, but so good. Mmm. Mmm. Oh my god. You know what? This will be the shortest outro ever, because this, I will tell just one thing, this is perfect. This is honestly the best soup I've ever tried, onion soup that is. I cannot decide about the soup in general because this thing is looking at me. Oh my god, this is so amazing. If you like onion soup, or if you have never tried it, I dare you try this one and you'll just love it. Let me just take a little piece. And the small bites of bread, it's just genius. Oh my god. Okay, this is Laura's soup. This is mine. I cannot stop staring at it. It's amazing. If you want to watch Laura's video, it's there. She's adorable as always. I will put this down because I'm too afraid to drop it. There's too many like really hot things. Search for the recipe in the description box down below. It will be in both American and the metric system. I will not even try to persuade you to try this because it's just so perfect. You have to, okay? Click show more, that's it. That's all I'm gonna say. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more soup recipes, the playlist is somewhere here on the screen. And I will see you very soon. Bye!